In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can schedule a Facebook page post on mobile. Okay, so to make this work, you want to go to the App Store on your phone. I'm on an Android device, so I head to the Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, head to the Apple App Store and then search for an app called Creator Studio. I have it there in my recent, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And it's this app right here. You want to go ahead and make sure this is installed, and then you can go ahead and open it up. I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. And if you're launching it for the first time, it's going to ask you which page you want to go ahead and use if you have multiple pages. Otherwise, we'll just go with your main Facebook page. And then to schedule a post, all you need to do is tap on that post icon at the top right. Then you can choose between a video, a photo, or a live. So I'm just going to go with photo. And it's going to go to your gallery. I'm just going to select this one as an example. Tap on next at the top right. And then you can go ahead and describe your photo. So I'm just going to type in something, write a proper description, and then I'm going to tap on next. And then you have a couple of options: publish now, schedule, or save as draft. We want to schedule it, so we're going to tap on schedule, and then you can go ahead and select the date that you want to schedule. So if I wanted to go off tomorrow, I tap on the 8th of October, tap on OK, and then 9:03, that's a perfect time to post on my Facebook page. Then all you would have to do is tap on schedule, and that post will be scheduled to go out at the date that you set there. So that is how you schedule a post on your Facebook page on mobile in 2020. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.